Good afternoon, friends. Today is the 30th day of lockdown, and we are here once again to look into what exactly is going to happen. Today, I am going to talk something about the challenges which MSME will face. According to the recent Government of India survey, about 26% of the businesses, sales, and purchases have been impacted due to the virus outbreak. MSME have problems like low liquidity and cash flow and lack of workforce as daily wages have gone back to their villages. Businesses that are into the manufacturing will also take a big hit on the export business as the situation remains uncertain. OEM, the original equipment manufacturers, are expecting a major changes in the demand patterns against the previous plans. Undeclared blackout of the Chinese products may affect the businesses of the original equipment manufacturers. Seasonal demand of the product, which is normally upswing in the first quarter, has been compromised totally since we have not done any production past 30-35 days. Inventories are lined up with them and sales are nil. Suppliers will see the major changes in the purchase orders, the past and the futures. There is no clarity amongst the OEM with respect to their suppliers what they are going to supply to them. Production efficiency will not reach to the normal levels for some time, maybe 8 to 10 weeks. The staggered suppliers due to the delay of transport may from the different suppliers will cause a delay of the production. The cost will go up due to the increasing overhead across the supply chain. So these are all the things which I foresee is going to happen. Tomorrow we'll talk about the opportunity which lies for the MSME people in the ESDM sector for the new and the current manufacturers. Thank you.